Okay, so what we did was we sprayed some of this starting fluid in there, and to break up the rubber. And as you can see on this pulley, there's some rubber down in the actual groove, and we already sanded the V part down, so we're just trying to get the leftover remnants of the old belt in the groove out of there. As you can see, it comes right off once you soften up that rubber like that. We're just using a old steak knife, and we're not gouging anything, we're just scraping it off. As you can see, looks like it's pretty much done there. So you want these pulleys nice and clean, and you also want them you want them dry. You want them clean, and you don't want any oil or debris on them, or else it can cause slippage, and then the slippage in turn will burn the belt and will cause a lot of heat and destroy the belts right away. And the last thing you want is any slippage in on your pulley, on your belts. It'll drop the pressure on your machine real quick, so you might not even notice that you have slippage in your of the belts. But I can guarantee you, if you think your pressure is down a little bit and doesn't seem like the machine doesn't seem like it's working like it used to, then most likely you have slipping of the belts. And as you can see, I've actually gone ahead and cleaned all that out. All that super shine is gone, and that's what you want. You want it real clean. I'm going to go over this one more time just to get all the excess off. Take your time. Okay, and that's it. That's how you start the process of cleaning this pulley off, especially since it's in a really hard to get to area on this machine. You got to be a contortionist to get to it. Alright, we're going to spray this down one more time, and it'll be ready to put the belts on.